Guys, I'm sorry that I'm making so many videos right now. This is just a very, very scary situation. And the reason why I done that for in the last video is because I really thought I saw a tornado right there. Where that little bitty cloud was, I thought that was a tornado right there. So I almost cried. I was scared to death. But now it's pouring down rain. It's pouring right now. We might have to get to my other grandma's house and get in her shelter maybe soon. Let's just hope this tornado watch don't turn into a tornado warning. This is very, very, very scary. Guys, I will keep you reported. Stay tuned for my next videos, alright? Because I will tell you when like it's getting very bad and stuff, like when it's lightning, thundering, and everything. I will keep telling. I'm gonna make a video when I get to my house, and I'll tell you what's happening in my house. All right? Stay tuned. Bye. Yeah.